of October. Once again, today is the 23rd day of the month of October as we continue to release more press statements. My name is Olayomi Koiki, and also the spokesman for Dr. Chief Sunday Igboho, popularly known as Igboho Osha. And this is coming from the AOC Solicitors and Attorney Arase Chamber, and it goes like this. 72 beside Bova Station, Iwo Road, Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. 23rd October 2024. Rejoinder on the alleged allegations of fraud leveled on Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, published by the City News Nigeria by Akinlolu Oyebanji of AOC Solicitors and Attorney. It is disheartening to see a person digging spikes into the eyes of his benevolent as done by one Mr. Captain Ola Alufa to our client Sunday Adeyemo Igboho. Mr. Captain Ola Alufa recently caused libelous publications to be made against his benevolent Sunday Adeyemo Sunday Igboho in the City News Nigeria on the 6th day of October 2024 and on the 22nd of October 2024. Pathetically, members of the Nigerian police force are dancing to the tune of Mr. Captain Ola Alufa and exercising their power ultra vows to favor the said Mr. Captain Ola Alufa. This makes it imperative to set the record straight and stop misleading of the public over the issue between Mr. Captain Ola Alufa and Mr. Kunu Olusegun Francis, as well as our client Sunday Adeyemo Sunday Igboho, upon which Mr. Captain Ola Alufa started tainting and bogusly discrediting the reputation of our client Sunday Adeyemo Sunday Igboho. Early this year, one Mr. Kunu Olusegun Francis, a Nigerian Cotonou-based, reached out to our client Sunday Adeyemo Sunday Igboho, considering his activism for Yoruba people and Nigerians at large, while he, Sunday Adeyemo Sunday Igboho, was in Germany seeking for his intervention to get his freedom and the freedom of Mr. Captain Ola Alufa, among others, from the law enforcement officers in Cotonou, Benin Republic. The fact upon which they were arrested at Cotonou, Benin Republic, as confirmed by our client, Sunday Adeyemo Sunday Igboho, is that there was a contract for the supply of automotive gas oil, AGO, to Cotonou, Benin Republic, between Mr. Captain Ola Alufa and some other people in Cotonou, Benin Republic. Mr. Captain Ola Alufa was then alleged of supplying defective and substandard automotive gas oil, AGO. Subsequent upon which the police in Cotonou, Benin Republic started looking for him, Mr. Captain Ola Alufa contacted Mr. Kunu Olusegun Francis, who based in Cotonou, to come to his aid. During the course of discussion between Mr. Captain Ola Alufa and Mr. Kunu Olusegun Francis, the police arrested them together while their workers, the contract which our client Sunday Adeyemo was never a party or privy to. With the intervention of our client Sunday Adeyemo Sunday Igboho, the detainees, Mr. Captain Ola Alufa and Mr. Kunu Olusegun Francis and their workers were granted administrative bail by the police in Cotonou, Benin Republic, while the matter is still pending there till date. Later, Mr. Captain Ola Alufa called our client Sunday Adeyemo Sunday Igboho, who was then in Germany, that there was an issue between him and Mr. Kunu Olusegun Francis, which he wanted our client Sunday Adeyemo Sunday Igboho to intervene in it before it gets escalated. According to our client, he, Mr. Captain Ola Alufa, proposed the sales of the automotive gas oil to Mr. Kunu Olusegun Francis, and being a businessman who also deals in buying and selling of automotive gas oil, to get his case settled in Cotonou, the proposal which Mr. Kunu Olusegun Francis accepted. Our client, Sunday Adeyemo, was never a party to the agreement between the duo. Having paid part of the consideration to the tune of 352,500,000 naira, which is equivalent to $255,000, to access the automotive gas oil, leaving a balance of $105,000. The parties then discovered that the level of water in the said automotive gas oil, AGO, is much than expected. Hence, the issue of restructure of the consideration part of the agreement arose. This serves as the cause of their disagreement, upon which Mr. Captain Ola Alufa sought our client Sunday Adeyemo intervention. Our client Sunday Adeyemo, Sunday Igboho, then appealed to the duo to shift ground for each other in the interest of peace and nothing more. There is no record or evidence to show that there was a transaction, contractual, or sorry sheet between our client Sunday Adeyemo and Sunday Igboho and Mr. Captain Ola Alufa, and or any other body whatsoever. It came as a shock to our office and our client himself, Sunday Adeyemo, Sunday Igboho, to hear that an expert order was obtained at the instance of Mr. Captain Ola Alufa to extradite and arrest our client over the contractual relationship he is never a party to. It is very clear, we believe, that the above-mentioned news published by City News Nigeria, instigated by Mr. Captain Ola Alufa, was only used to malign and defame our client Sunday Adeyemo's integrity and defaming his character, which has caused serious injury to his standing credit and reputation before his colleagues, business associates, neighbors, friends, and well-wishers. They said Mr. Captain Ola Alufa is still needed to appear before the police in Benin, Cotonou, to defend himself in respect of the substandard automotive gas oil AGO brought against him in Cotonou, Benin Republic, as he jumped bail, which our client Sunday Adeyemo's intervention secured for him. On a last note, while our firm is not holding brief for Mr. Kunu Olusegun Francis, it is very pertinent to state that Mr. Captain Olufa is a known smuggler who deals in smuggling adulterated product, AGOS, to the neighboring countries, and this has necessitated the government of Benin Republic to place him on a wanted list. It would equally interest the general public to note that a petition has been forwarded to the Office of Inspector General of Police by the Office of AOC Solicitors and Attorney on behalf of Sunday Adeyemo for criminal defamation of character, and also a fundamental action has been instituted against him, Mr. Captain Ola Alufa, as well as the Interpol section of the police for necessary action. The hint Mr. Captain Ola Alufa is very much aware, including the office of the Interpol at Alagbon, Ikoyi, Lagos State, which made them to resort to media trial. Akinlolu Oyebamiji, ESQ, principal partner, Akinlolu Oyebanji. And this is the updated from the solicitor representing Dr. Chief Sunday Igboho. Fáǹfààní gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n gbọ́ èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì tí a fi pè ta fi kọ intercasita ẹ̀. In tí àwọn agbẹjọ́ bàbá wa Olóyè Igboho tó ń jẹ́ kó yé wa nínú ìwé tí wọ́n fi ránṣẹ́ sí wa kó tó di pé a bẹ̀rẹ̀ program yìí ni pé arákùnrin kan wà tó gbé ọjà lọ sí Benin Republic. Nígbà tó gbé ọjà dọ́hùn, òun àti ẹni tí wọ́n jọ fẹ́ tajà tí bàbá wa Olóyè Igboho mọ kankan nípẹ̀, wọn ò ní any contract, wọn ò ní kankan tó dà wọ́n papọ̀ nínú ọjà tó gbé lọ sí Benin. Irú ọjà wo là ń sọ yìí? Ọjà tó ń pè ní automotive gas and oil. nígbà tí wọ́n gbé dé Benin Republic ẹni tí wọ́n gbé dé ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀ arákùnrin tó ń pè ní Captain Ọlá Alúfàì ó bọ́ sínú wàhálà pẹ̀lú ìjọba Benin Republic. Ó pe ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ tó ń pè ní Kúnlé Kùnú Olúṣẹ́gun Francis ìyẹn ọmọ Nàìjíríà àmọ́ nílùú Benin lòun gbé. Níbẹ̀ ni ọlọ́pàá arrest àwọn méjèèjì pẹ̀lú àwọn tó jọ ń bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́. Wọ́n pe olóyè Ìgbòho, olóyè bá wọn dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Ọlọ́pàá fi sílẹ̀ on bail kó tó di pé ọjà tó gbé lọ sí Benin ìyẹn Captain Ọlá Alúfà ìyẹn Mr. Kùnú Olúṣẹ́gun Francis ó di pé wọ́n gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tí wọ́n dẹ̀ san nínú owó fún. Gbogbo eléyìí kò ní kankan ṣe pẹ̀lú olóyè Ìgbòho àmọ́ owó tí Olúkùnú Francis tó san fún ìyẹn ẹni tó mú ẹjọ́ wá tó mú lọ sórí mídíà tí wọ́n náwọn ń wá olóyè káàkiri òun ni pé wọ́n ti san díẹ̀ nínú owó tí wọ́n jọ ṣe agreement to the tune of 352 million naira and 500,000 naira tó bọ́ sí iye tí a máa pè ní $255,000. Nígbà tó kù balance of $105,000 kí ló wá dé tó di pé wọ́n mú orúkọ lóyè wọnú in tí àwọn méjèèjì ò jọ mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. Òun ni pé Mr. Captain Ọlá Alúfà tó ti jump bail lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí ní Benin Republic tí wọ́n ń wá ó lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ City newspaper ó kó ẹjọ́ lọ síbẹ̀ nítorí pé wọ́n mọ̀ dájú pé orúkọ lóyè Ìgbòho gangan ni orúkọ tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Ìta tó wá ń fẹ́ mọ̀ ni pé ṣáwọn míì wà lẹ́yìn iṣẹ́ tó ń lọ yìí torí pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kò ń ṣe lénìí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ti ń bọ̀ láti bí gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn akọ̀wé olóyè Ìgbòho jẹ́ kó yé wa nínú fọ́nrán tí a kà síta pé wọ́n ti kọ̀wé sí lórí ìyẹn ní ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ọdún yìí tá a pè ní on the 6th of October kó tó dúdi pé arákùnrin tún gbé ẹjọ́ lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ pépà lọ́n the 22nd ìyẹn lánàá èní ní 23rd. Ìbéèrè tí à ń bi Mr. Captain Ọlá Alúfà ni pé níbo lòun àti olóyè ti jọ jókòó tí wọ́n ti jọ kọ̀wé pé àwọn fẹ́ tajà fúnra wọn àti pé kí ló lè wá mú ìdí tí wọ́n mú orúkọ lóyè lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́ ìyẹn ní Èkó tó fi di pé àwọn Interpol wọn náà wọ́n ń wá olóyè Ìgbòho. Àwọn agbẹjọ́rò tó jẹ́ fún olóyè wá jẹ́ kó yé wa pé àwọn ti kọ̀wé sí ìjọba ọlọ́pàá ti Àbújá tí a mọ̀ sí Inspector General of Police. Àwọn dẹ̀ ti fi ìwé ránṣẹ́ náà sí àwọn tó ń bẹ ní Interpol ní alágbọ̀n ní Ìkòyí ní Lagos State nítorí pé in tí wọ́n ń play out yìí òun la máa ń pè ní media trial. Nígbà tí ẹjọ́ ṣòwò kí ni tolóyè nínú ẹ̀ ìyẹn gẹ́gẹ́ bí agbẹnusọ èmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí agbẹnusọ fún olóyè Ìgbòho òun ni mo tún fi yé wa pé eléyìí ni update version tí a mú wá láti orí ìkànnì wa Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep.